Richard, can you show me where is the Philippines?
Okay.
Okay, show me where's the Philippines. Philippines.
Oh.
Philippines, please.
Yes.
Where?
Yes.
Where?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, next. Where's United States of America? Please, Richard. Find it. Find it, Richard. Where's United States of America? Find it, please. Richard, you're playing. Where's okay, let's go back. Where's the Philippines? Hey, no, don't right there. Okay, where's Philippines? Show it to me. Where? Where? Show it. Point it. Point. Hey, you're playing